Want to edit a video in CapCut and use the tracking feature to keep the subject of your video centered in the frame? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the tracking feature on CapCut. Now let's get started. To use the tracking feature on CapCut, open the CapCut app and begin a new project as you normally would. Import the video clips you want to use in your project. Select a clip you want to apply the tracking feature to. Then scroll to the right in the toolbar at the bottom and select Camera Tracking. Tap Camera Tracking. Then choose if you want to track a face, body, hands, or a custom object. I'm choosing the custom option. Then use the box marker to select the object you want to track. You can adjust the size of the tracking box using the arrow icons. Then tap Track. The app will then process your request and adjust the placement of your video to keep your selected subject as the focus of your video. You can make adjustments here using the options presented to keep your video fit to the canvas size, lock the size of your object, and blur the canvas so it isn't as obvious if it gets shown. Use the switches to adjust these to your liking, then tap the check mark to save. Tap the play button to see what your video looks like. You can make further adjustments if needed. You can continue editing your video with additional tools if you like. When you're happy with how your video looks, tap Export to save it to your camera roll. That's all it takes to use the tracking feature on CapCut. Want to add overlays to your video? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.